Hi everyone, in this video I will teach you how to transfer ownership of a Facebook page. Don't you worry, this will be quick and easy, so let's go ahead and begin. Okay, so in this tutorial we're not going to use the Facebook application. Instead we're going to use a browser. This is accessible via laptop or PC if you'd like, and it's much more easier there, but if you're using a mobile, just go ahead and watch and I'll walk you through it. Okay. So for the first step, we're just going to open the browser. It works in any browser that you like, but for this video, I will use Microsoft Edge. Let's go ahead and tap it. Once you've tapped on it, all you have to do is to log into your account with the page and switch to your page. And once you've switched, all you have to do is to request a desktop site. And once you've done that, you will be tapping on your profile to see the page, and you will see the same screen as for what I'm seeing now. And to transfer ownership, all you have to do is to go here on the Manage Page tab and look for the Professional Dashboard. Let's go ahead and tap it. Once you've tapped on it, you will see this screen, and in this screen, we're gonna head to Professional Dashboard again and scroll down for a little bit and look for the Your Tools category. And in Your Tools category, the one we're looking for here is the page access. Let's go ahead and tap it. Once you've tapped on it, you will see this screen. And on here, you will see that you can manage and view access of people who has access to your page. So for the first step, you're gonna add an administrator by tapping on adding new or add new right next to people with Facebook access. Let's go ahead and tap it. Once you've tapped on it, you will see this information, just a safety precaution. As for when you give someone access to your page, they can change anything. And all you have to do here is to tap on next. And once you've tapped on next, you're going to search for the person that you'd like to give access to. Let's say this one. And once you've selected that person's profile, you can also give or allow this person to have full control. With full control, anyone can give access to others, remove anyone from the page, including you, or delete the page. So for our main goal here, which is transferring the ownership of a Facebook page, we need to turn that on. All you have to do is to tap on the trigger right next to it. And once you've tapped on it, it will be turned on. And once done, all you have to do is to tap on give access, and you will be asked to re-enter your Facebook profile password. As for this is a big change for your page. And as you can see, once you've entered your password, this will show. You just need to wait for that person's approval in joining your page so that you gain full access to your page. And if that person knows you're going to transfer the ownership to him or her, just notify that person to accept it. As for you need to transfer the page. And with the access that you've given, it is technically giving away the page to the person that you've given the access to. As for that person can also kick you out of the page, and you can also leave after that person has approved the invitation. There you go.
That's it for this video. I hope this video helped. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also, ring the notification bell for you to be updated for newly uploaded tutorials. And I'll see you in the next video.